ECDL Advanced, Access, Lesson 10, Setting a Mandatory Field. Some fields in a database will be essential to maintain the usefulness of the system. For these fields, it's possible to set field properties so that the field is mandatory, or in other words, required. So it must always be completed. It will then be impossible to add a new record to the table without data in this field. Okay, we're going to use the CIA database that we were working with last lesson. If we open the Customer Details table and then go into Design View, Design View. To ensure rapid contact with all customers, the telephone number is to be made a mandatory field. Select the field name for telephone. In the Field Properties section at the bottom, click at the far right of the required field property. The default value for the property is No. This means that a record can be added to the table without an entry in this field. Select Yes from the drop-down list. Now any record added to the table must have an entry in this field, or the addition will not be accepted. Save the table. As a new rule has been defined, any existing data in the table may not now be valid, so therefore the following message appears. Data integrity rules have been changed. Existing data may not be valid for the new rules. There are three options. Yes will test the existing data with the new rule. No will not test the existing data but will apply the validation to all new records. Cancel will return to the design view. Select Yes. Testing will start, and because there is an existing record on the table which does not match the rule, i.e. without a telephone number, a dialog box will appear giving three options. Read the options and then click Yes to retain the new settings and continue the testing. Another way of doing this would be pressing the Test Validation Rules button on the ribbon, which will also test existing data against any new rules directly. Okay, let's switch to Datasheet view. Enter a telephone number for customer ref 30. Start a new record and enter the following details. Customer ref 32, which will be generated automatically. Title Mr. First name Vikram. Surname Singh. Company Exotic Foods. High Street, Newcastle, NE1 2JG. Press Tab to leave the telephone field blank, then tab to the end of the record. The following warning appears. You must enter a value in the Customer Details.telephone field. Click OK and enter the following telephone number: 0191 266 1111. OK, and now that's been accepted and it's generated the customer reference of 32. OK, at that stage, if you save, and we will continue using this database in the following lesson which will be lesson 11, in which we'll discuss validation rules and validation text. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.